Are those my toasted crunchies? Are those my toasted crunchies?
Well, I'm not gonna lie to you. Yes, they are.
How dare you? Why must you betray our friendship?
It was a moment of weakness. I'm sorry.
I will take all of your fingers and dip them in nacho cheese. And I will suck them clean and you will get none of it. You know what? I will make you walk from room to room and you will forget why you went in there every time. No! And I will take your dog out on a romantic date and he will enjoy it and I will respect him and I may even call him the next day. And I will wait until you're watching a fabulous romantic comedy and I'll crinkle the chip bag ever so lightly, ruining the entire movie for you. Yeah, and I will give you a soft caress of the inner thigh. But I will not feed you grapes in a sexual fashion.
Why? Why?
I'm going to go and take all the leaves on your property and move them from the premises to another location that will be undisclosed to you and you'll never be able to visit the leaves.
Not the leaves. Not the leaves.
You make me so angry I could just make an orange flavored beverage.
Wait.
What say you?
Are those my toasted crunchies? Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you guys enjoyed our video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey!
Alright, and don't forget to borrow a cup of sugar from the Boys Next Door Studios.
Bye!